morning, guys. Happy Monday. Happy Vlogtober day number 7. Today is actually October 3rd. So I'm not a little bit behind, but I didn't film anything. Sorry, my computer's off. That'd be why it's not turning on, because it's off. So I didn't film anything at all this weekend. It was such a great weekend though, because this is gonna sound weird when I say this, but the post-tropical storm Ian rolled in. It rolled right over the top of us. Thankfully, where our neighborhood is, we didn't get a lot of damage and we never lost power. But I know other places, like a lot of people were out of power. I think some people are still out of power, like without power, and won't get it back on until like today or tomorrow. And like some people had trees go through their house. So I mean, we did get some crazy weather here, but thankfully where we live, like our neighborhood really didn't get a lot of like, you know, like we didn't lose any trees, and I was definitely worried about that. Basically all weekend we just had a lazy weekend. Like Friday we didn't go anywhere because that's when most of the rain and wind were coming towards us. I think the worst of it got here at like 8 p.m. but I mean it was like gross the entire day. And then Saturday it was just rainy and gross, like the post-storm stuff, and so we didn't really do anything that day. We did end up going out later that night, just like in the car just to get out of the house, but we really didn't do anything. And then yesterday I cleaned the house, we went grocery shopping, just did all the things, but I didn't feel like filming it because I just needed to get it done after spending the entire week doing nothing. Or weekend doing nothing. We watched a lot of TV, but anyway, that's what happened this weekend, and I just took time off of filming and it felt so nice, and I feel mostly refreshed today. I am very tired and my muscles hurt, but overall I feel a lot more refreshed than I did like Friday or Thursday, whenever it was the last time I vlogged. So anyway, on today's agenda, I have orders. I want to design some stuff, want to log into my computer, and then I would like to try to film the plan with me this afternoon as well. Oh, and the main thing that I want to get done in this vlog is clean my office, because it is trashed, and it is the one area that I'm always like, oh, I'll clean it later. So yesterday when I was like doing my whole house clean, I was just like, I'll do this later. And so it is later, so I definitely need to get that cleaned. I want to like organize everything, wipe all the tables down, just, you know, get it together. I'll probably do that after I get orders done and like all the other like work related things. I'll probably like end my day with cleaning my office. I think that'd be good because I'm going to be working, so I'm going to be making more of a mess. So I think after I finish all that, I'm going to clean it. That way we can start tomorrow with a fresh office. So I feel like I've rambled enough in this intro clip. I just wanted to say hi, good morning. I didn't vlog over the weekend, but that's okay. That's, you know, I'm still 4 days ahead, and then if I decide to include Plan With Me's as part of Vlogtober, then I'm still fine. I'm going to go work on my work. So orders are done. Check that off my list. I made myself a little to-do list. I originally wanted to design stickers today, but I don't know if I'm going to do that. I might still do that. I'm not sure. I need to finish editing Vlogtober Day 6 and get that scheduled, so that way I stay ahead. I also need to do some edits on the descriptions for some of the upcoming videos. I don't know. I want to film the Plan With Me today, but I don't know if it'll happen because there's other things that I'd rather do than film, to be honest. So I might save that for later. I don't need to film that today. It's not a need, it's just a want. So right now I think I'm gonna go through and work on updating some of the single sheets so I can do the photos for that. And then later, like I said, later today I'm going to clean the office. So I'll probably clean the office maybe from like 3 to 4. So that gives me several hours to work on the photos. I also want to add glossy to Etsy because I've never done that. So I want to get that done as well. So there's just like a lot of like random things that I want to get done that I haven't made time for. All right, guys, I'm back. What did I do? What did I accomplish? I accomplished taking my dogs out 50 million times today because Daisy thinks she needs to just go outside and eat leaves all day long. So we're constantly in and out, in and out, in and out. But other than that, I got all the listing photos for all the countdowns done. I'm just breaking it up into categories. So I got that done. And then I also got the orders done. I got the video edited and uploaded. I think that's all I've accomplished so far. I didn't get glossy stuff done yet just because I was in and out, in and out, in and out, and didn't get that done. So my neighbor just pulled up and I'm like, this is gonna be awkward if she sees me like holding a camera talking to it. So anyway, now I'm going to tackle this messy office, and I've really kind of been putting it off all day because I'm just not in the mood to tackle it today, but it needs to be done. It is absolutely filthy, and I want to feel good about working in here again, and I don't right now. So I'm going to turn the camera on. I'm going to show you guys what we're working with, and then we are going to work really hard to get this clean. All right, guys, so as you can see, we have quite the mess going on over here. We have I just need to get this. I don't know why James's shirt and socks are in here, to be honest. I have no idea. Like, I didn't put them here, so I'm not really sure what is happening. But that's just the state of my life. Then we have just stuff over here. I have my skeleton dog, which is gonna go on the front porch. I'm hoping we can decorate tonight. If so, I'm gonna do a separate Vlogtober video just dedicated to the front porch. But then we have some mess here. I need to bring out my other 3 machines, but I have not, since I had to move everything out at the end of July so we could have a baby shower here. So I have not done that. But I don't think I'll do that today, but eventually I do need to bring out my other machines. And then I need to organize all this. It's just like, it's such a mess. I hate that I've even let it get this bad, but it is what it is. We're gonna get started. I have some of like the stationery items that I had to box up. So that, like I said, we could empty everything in this room, but I'm gonna put all that stuff here, and we're just gonna get to it. We're just gonna start. We have to just start. That's the hardest part, right? So I'm gonna set the camera up and we are gonna get to work. I basically wiped down all the tables. I know some of this does not look aesthetically pleasing, but I am keeping all those cables right there because At some point, I will bring my other machines back out here, and those are all the cables for them. I also, whenever I moved the other shelf, it broke, so I need James to help me fix it, or we need to find another one of these shoe shelves. That's what this is, in case you were wondering. I used to get questions about it all the time. It's just a shoe shelf from Target. So anyway, my other one broke, so I need James to help me like fix it so I can put it, anyway, this whole ordeal. I don't need them at the moment, so not a big deal if I don't set them back up right away. Obviously, it's not right away because they've been out of here for 2 months now. So, you know, we'll get to it. Now, I just want to tidy up this. I have a lot of paper going on. I need I need like a paper holder, so that way whenever I need to switch out papers and whatever, I don't just set them on top of the printers, because I don't like that, but that's where we're at with that. I also need to vacuum. I've got to deal with this situation. So yeah, but we're making progress. We're getting there. All right, guys, here is the after. It looks so much better. So much better. I mean, obviously there's still things that I need to go through and organize, but overall it looks so much better. I actually need to bring out my mug press as well. I think I'm gonna set it up like right there, but yeah, other than that, office is clean. We're calling this a win. It's a great feeling. Okay, guys, I'm not sure the last thing I vlogged, but James came home, we had dinner, and then we decided to power wash the front porch. So I filmed some of that for a separate Vlogtober video because I wanted that to be like the main thing, like cleaning and decorating the porch. That's why it's a separate video, but it will be coming. I believe it is the Vlogtober day after this one, so tomorrow's video. But anyway, yeah, so he had to do that, and then we have to let it dry, and then tomorrow night we will work on decorating. But because I'm ahead on these vlogs, the video itself will be up tomorrow for you guys, not tomorrow for me. So that's what's going on. He is wrapping all of that up, but I just kind of wanted to end the vlog because we're probably just gonna sit and watch TV, to be honest. Just hang out with this crazy and this crazy and just chill for the night. It is almost 8 o'clock, so yeah, probably just watch some TV. He might play video games. That's probably our night. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogtober video. I will be back tomorrow, like I said, with the porch decorating video. So stay tuned for that. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to click subscribe so that way you don't miss tomorrow's video. And I will catch you guys tomorrow for another fun day of Vlogtober. Bye, guys.